There's a 90-inch cat tree on Amazon, you guys, and I had to buy it for my cat, Gopher. He is a spoiled cat, so let's build it together and see if he likes it. It was shipped in 3 separate boxes. I feel bad for the UPS guy, but even luckier me gets to build this giant cat tree. Oh my god, I've never seen a base this big, and I can only imagine how big the rest of this tree must be. All right, guys, I'm gonna contemplate my life choices and I'm gonna speed this up for you. These little trees are so cute. A nice scratch post. Ooh, we're almost done. What do you guys think? Are you jealous the cat gets this awesome cat tower? So pretty. And it comes with these like mats that you can put in, and they're like machine washable. So you have like this woven side or this side, and it's so nice. Look at that. Just the detail on this is so beautiful. And a giant cat scratching post. He's gonna be absolutely thrilled, especially at the top there. That is very high.
A few moments
Do
later.
you love it? Wow, what do you think, buddy? He's already in the first hole. Good boy. Do you love it? You gonna try the rest? Hey? Yeah, happy kitty. And where's Gopher? Yeah, do you love it? Do you love your giant tree house? Okay, he's like 14, so give him a minute. Yay! Good boy. Whoa, whoa. Best day ever. Best day ever. Oh, look at you. You have the best view ever, kitty. Seriously. So it was too tall. There was an extra cushion to put at the very top, because cats can go all the way to the top, but again, this thing is like 90 inches and I'm like 2-3 inches off. So yeah, he won't be going to the very top, but that's okay. He still loves his cat tower. Good boy, buddy. What do I do? Wow, good job. Yeah, good boy. What do you think? And there's like a giant scratch pad on the back, which is so cool. Are you purring? Yes, he's a happy kitty. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Let me know your thoughts below, and if your cat would also love a giant cat tree just like this.